For years, writers have pieced together their publishing workflow with a patchwork of tools: Word for drafting, specialist software for formatting, and various online platforms for collaboration and distribution. It's often a clunky, time-consuming process that can pull you away from the actual craft of writing. Enter Atticus, which positions itself as the antidote to this fragmentation. A single platform where you can write, edit, and format your book for both print and ebook. The promise is alluring. Imagine a world where you finish your manuscript, click a few buttons, and boom, it's perfectly formatted for Kindle, paperback, or even hardcover. No more wrestling with margins, fonts, or pesky widows and orphans. Sounds like a dream, right? But as with any dream, the reality can sometimes be a little different. What exactly is Atticus? At its core, Atticus is a web-based word processor designed specifically with authors in mind. It boasts a clean, distraction-free writing environment that many find conducive to productivity. Beyond the writing, its main selling point is its robust formatting capabilities. You can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates, customize your own, and then export your book in multiple formats, including EPUB, MOBI, and PDF. Ready for upload to Amazon KDP, Ingram Spark, or other platforms. It also includes features like goal tracking, a full-screen writing mode, and the ability to organize your book into chapters and scenes, which is incredibly helpful for long-form projects. They've also been steadily adding new features, responding to user feedback, and generally trying to make it the go-to tool for self-publishing authors. The good where Atticus shines. Let's start with what Atticus does well, because there's a lot to like here. First, the ease of use for formatting is genuinely impressive. If you've ever spent hours battling with Microsoft Word to get your book to look professional, Atticus will feel like a breath of fresh air. The templates are aesthetically pleasing, and customizing them is intuitive. You can effortlessly change fonts, adjust spacing, add decorative elements, and see the changes reflected in real time. This alone can save authors countless hours and headaches, allowing them to focus on their words rather than their Word document. Second, the distraction-free writing environment is a huge plus. It's clean, minimalist, and lets you get into a flow state without being bombarded by toolbars and notifications. For writers who struggle with focus, this can be a game changer. Third, the one-time purchase model is very appealing in a world increasingly dominated by subscriptions. You buy Atticus once, and you own it with lifetime updates included. This provides significant long-term value, especially for prolific authors. The not-so-good where Atticus could improve. Now, let's talk about some of the areas where Atticus might not be the perfect fit for everyone. One of the main criticisms, especially for those coming from more feature-rich word processors, is that Atticus can feel a bit light on advanced writing features. While it handles basic text manipulation well, it lacks some of the robust outlining, research, and revision tools found in dedicated writing software like Scrivener or Ulysses. If you rely heavily on features like corkboards, extensive research folders, or complex revision tracking, you might find Atticus a bit limiting. It's a word processor, yes, but perhaps not a full-fledged writing studio. Another point to consider is its web-based nature. While this offers the convenience of accessing your work from anywhere, it also means you're dependent on an internet connection to use it effectively. While there are some offline capabilities, the full experience requires connectivity. For authors who prefer to write in remote locations without reliable internet, this could be a drawback. Finally, while the customization options for formatting are good, they aren't endless. If you have a very specific, unique vision for your book's layout that goes beyond the provided templates and customization sliders, you might still need to delve into more specialized design software or hire a professional formatter. Atticus aims for broad appeal and efficiency, which sometimes means sacrificing ultimate granular control. Who is Atticus for? So, who is Atticus really for? It's an excellent tool for independent authors and self-publishers who want a streamlined, efficient way to write and format their books without a steep learning curve or ongoing subscription fees. If you're tired of fighting with formatting and want a clean writing space, Atticus will likely be a valuable addition to your toolkit. It's also great for authors who prioritize simplicity and speed in their workflow. If you want to focus on writing and then quickly get your book ready for publication, Atticus excels at that. However, if you're a highly experimental writer who needs advanced outlining tools, a complex research database integrated into your writing environment, or incredibly granular control over every design element of your book, you might find Atticus a bit too restrictive. Similarly, if you primarily collaborate with others on a single document using track changes and comments extensively, other tools might be more suitable. The verdict: is Atticus worth it? After looking at its strengths and weaknesses, the answer to "is Atticus writing software worth it?" is a resounding yes, for the right person. Its value proposition lies squarely in its ability to simplify and expedite the formatting process, saving authors significant time and frustration. For many, this alone justifies the price. Combine that with a clean writing interface and a one-time purchase model, and you have a compelling offer. However, it's crucial to manage your expectations. Atticus isn't a replacement for every piece of writing software out there. It's a specialized tool that excels at a particular set of tasks. If those tasks, namely distraction-free writing and pain-free formatting for self-publishing, are high on your priority list, then Atticus is absolutely worth the investment. It empowers authors to take control of their publishing journey, delivering professional-looking books with remarkable ease. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.